Welcome back guys into this new video of TechQuest. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a buy button into your Shopify. The Shopify buy button is one of the most powerful but often overlooked tools for the selling online. These features allow you to take any product from your Shopify store. Usually the most easiest way is to find this buy button just by using your current theme onto your online store. But just in case you wanted to go and add a new buy button, or you don't see that buy button, we can add this in a very easy way. So this turns every piece of your online content into a sales funnel. It's fast, it's free, and it's incredibly effective. So the first thing is to install the buy button sales channel. First, we need to activate the buy button functionality within your store. If you go to the Shopify administrator dashboard, you go for the option that says settings. Here, I wanted to focus for the option that says apps and sales channels. Here, if you don't see the buy button, you can install it directly in here where it says Shopify App Store. So here, what I need to do is to look out for the option that says buy button. And here is the buy button channel. What you need to do, of course, is just to hit for the option that says install and then open. This is how it should be looking, our buy now button. Right? Here's the cured away. There we go. So let's go for the option that says open once we have downloaded this element. Directly here into download, we now have access directly for the Shopify. Here what I need to do is to create a new buy button. I choose whether this is a product or a collection. Let's try out with the product. Inside here, let's try it out with this pet hair remove mid gloves. I select this, and this is how it should be looking our product. We have our product. Here's our layout style. Here's our price, our variants, and the buy button. So here, let's say that I just wanted to choose one product variant. The layout should be looking once again like classic. And choose the option that says add to the cart. You can change the button style and you can change the layout if you wanted to. In this case, I'm going to just leave this as it is. Then, when the option that says shopping cart, this is how it should be looking when they click into the option that says add to cart. So the heading should be my cart. The subtotal, I'm going to leave this as it is. You can show order notified. And the colors, you can change this color for black, for example, and check out how it actually looks, your cart. I'm going to head back. Here's my detail pop out, advanced settings, and the option that says next. With this, I have now created and customized my actual button. So what I need to do is to copy and paste the code. So this is the code you needed, of course. Click into the option that says copy the code. Now let's go to my website or the platform where you wanted the button to appear. Look for the option to insert the custom HTML file. Let's try to do this directly here into Shopify. I'm going to head for my online store. I'm going to head for my current theme and look out for the option that says customized. Directly into customize, here are all my elements. So I go and scroll all my way down. And here, let's say for example that I add a new section. Into new section, I'm going to add a new custom liquid. And this custom liquid, I'm going to click into it. And I paste my custom liquid code. Just like that, it should be appearing now, my add to cart. So I can change the padding to make this a little bit more bigger. Like this. And there we go. You can change this from the page to the full, and it actually is going to be working really well. So when you click add to the cart, this automatically going to be sending here into the actual checkout. And there you go. A really easily process. You can do this directly somewhere else, for example, into a Google Sites website. The process is exactly the same. I just go for the option that says Embeamed. Here's my Embeam code. I paste the code. I hit into insert. And just like that, it should be appearing into my website. So go for published. Publish once again. Reload the page just to see if this one now appears into your website. And check out how it actually looks, your elements, right? So here I go reload my page, and here is my product. It says add to cart, and automatically it appears here at the actual cart. You can see it says checkout, and this will be sending me here into the Shopify. There you go. Really easily processed. The last solution that I can give you is that if you want to do something much more easier and faster, for example here, I have this product let's say for example down here I wanted to add a buy button, right? So I hit into the option that says add section and go for generate, for example. And here into generate, what you can do is to just select add a buy button, and automatically it's going to be adding this automatically. You don't have to do absolutely anything else. Just try it out and see if this one actually works. So with this being said, guys, we can now reach the very end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools, how you can get started with these great elements of the Shopify. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.